Welcome to Tom's Trains and Things. I'm Tom Kovichak. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. Everything on this channel is about model railroading. I concentrate mostly on beginners and intermediate modelers. So if you're starting out in the hobby, or you've been in the hobby for a while but you haven't really paid attention to what have gone on, this place is for you, because I have the videos here to teach you how to do just about everything you need to know to build your model railroad, whether it's DC, DCC, electronics, scenery, anything else that you want to know. I have it here, and I have them grouped in categories in my playlists, so it's easy for you to find anything. Hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, ding that bell so you can be notified whenever I have a new video coming out. I upload videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. On Monday, I have a Shout Out Monday evening where I highlight experienced modelers so the new modelers can learn from the experienced modelers here. On Wednesday and Saturday, I do how-to videos, and once a month on Saturday, I publish a Model Railroading for Beginners video. So take a look for them, and we'll see ya.